Hello, my friends. It's wonderful to see you. Remember to click subscribe and hit the like button for more adventures. Get your mat ready, take a big breath, and let's get started. All right, let's go.
Pose 1, Cobra Pose. Lie on your belly, place your hands under your shoulders and gently lift your chest using your back muscles with little weight in the hands. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pose 2, Cat Cow. From tabletop, gently alternate between rounding your spine for cat and arching your back for cow, moving with your breath to warm up the spine. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pose 3, Plank Pose. Step your feet back into a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and keep your shoulders stacked over your wrists. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pose 4, Bound Angle Pose. Sit tall, bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees open out to the sides, holding your feet or ankles. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pose 5, Wide-legged forward fold. Stand with legs wide, hinge at the hips, and fold your torso forward, letting your head move toward the floor. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pose 6, Cow Face Pose. Sit with knees stacked and reach one arm up and the other behind your back, trying to clasp your hands. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pose 8, Thunderbolt Pose. Kneel with your feet together and sit back on your heels, keeping your spine tall and your hands resting on your thighs. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pose 9, Wheel Pose. From lying on your back, place hands by your ears, fingers toward your shoulders, and press into hands and feet to lift into a back bend. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pose 10, Head to Knee Pose. Sit with one leg extended and the other bent. Fold over the straight leg, reaching toward the foot while keeping the spine long. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pose 1, Reclined Hero Pose. From Hero Pose, lean back onto your hands, elbows, or all the way down onto your back if your knees allow. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pose 1-3, Warrior 1. Step 1 foot back, bend the front knee, square your hips forward and reach both arms up, grounding strongly through both feet. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pose 1-4. Deep lunge quad stretch. From a low lunge, bend your back knee, catch the foot with your hand, and gently draw the heel toward your glutes to stretch the front of the thigh. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pose 1-5, Eagle Pose. Wrap one thigh over the other and one arm under the other. Sit your hips down and lift your elbows to shoulder height. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pose 1-6, Low Boat Pose. From Boat Pose, lower your back and legs closer to the floor while keeping your core strongly engaged and your lower back supported. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pose 1-7. Seated twist right. Sit tall with legs crossed or extended. Place your right hand behind you and gently twist your torso to the right, lengthening the spine as you turn. Breathe slowly and evenly.
Wonderful job, my friends! You moved with such grace today. If you had fun, please like the video and subscribe to join our team. Invite your friends to practice next time. Big breath in, smile, and relax. See you soon. Bye-bye.